it?
I'm going to go say.
Yeah?
I would see.
You want to see him?
Yeah.
We'll see him soon. Say happy birthday, Uncle Kurt.
Happy birthday to you. Uncle Dad.
Uncle Kurt's in California. We're going to see him soon when we move there. You're going to give him a hug and a kiss when you see him? Yeah. Can you guys blow him a kiss? A birthday kiss? Oh, that was a big kiss. Lila, can you blow Uncle Kurt a birthday kiss? Oh, can you wave him? Bye-bye?
Bye-bye.
Bye, Uncle Kurt. Happy birthday. Can you say I love you?